Hi gorgeous, I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing well as well here. So today I decided to do the video inside the house because to go upstairs as well is also another hassle. So I decided to sit here in my house and then share with you the color that I picked after I returned the actual color that I purchased 2 weeks ago. So if you are new to this channel, you are so welcome, and if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly do so. Subscribe to this channel, that way you will motivate me and support me, and also this channel to grow. And also you can share my videos to anyone, because that way it will reach many people out there. So if you have never subscribed, please subscribe. And now I will request you guys to ask me any question about these sandals, the wear and tear, the size, the colors, how do I get my colors, and also what make me to buy the sandals. Those things I will like to answer you, but you have to comment down below by you wanting to know more details about these sandals. And also if you want to see my Hermès sandal collection, you can also comment down below. So without further ado, let me jump into this video. And I'm sorry, background, my son is talking. He's eating breakfast in the dining table, but he's making his own, So you can see here on my side, I have Hermès shopping bag. Yes, I bought this sandal, that the sandal that I will insert the video here on the screen. I bought it. I love that color, and it could be my first ever Hermès suede sandal from Oran collection. I loved the color. The color is the one that attracted me. So the first time I tried, or the first time I saw the shoes in the boutique, that size on my feet was in size 39. And when I took like 3 days to decide if I want to buy the sandals, because I didn't plan to buy the sandals. When I went there, when I made my decision that I'm going to purchase the sandals, they didn't have it anymore in the stock. So 39 was sold out, and she brought size 40. It was too big for me. I couldn't decide to pick size 40. 38 and a half, yes, they had it and she gave it to me. I tried. It was kind of okay, because my other two sandals from Hermès, the first pair of the shoes that I got from Hermès, two of them, they were in size 38 and a half. Yes, I bought the shoes 38 and a half. I wear the shoes in the holidays. We were in Spain, and it was fitting kind of snaggy, but now because of after a long time wearing it, it's slightly fitting me okay, but it's still a small size. I'm telling you, that ½ inch, it's going to make a difference into your feet, or even to the shoes, to fit you perfectly. So I decided, you know what, right, I love this color, and there is someone out there who is looking for that 38 and a half. So I had to think and also decide for myself and make that decision of taking that sandal back into boutique and purchase different color, my size. But they were willing to return money or to give me credit stock. But I was like, at the end of the day, it belongs to Hermès company. So I decided to look around, and this color actually is the one that I wanted a few months ago, but they didn't have it in the stock. They had only small sizes. So I end up getting it back again. It's like the universe allowed me to have this sandal again. I'm telling you, this is just a fun for me. So here it's the shopping bag, Hermès. As you can see, it's on the both side, Hermès, and this is the boutique address in Paris. And I hope in my birthday month I will visit Paris with my family, and I hope I will visit the store, even though I will not buy anything. I will love to visit Hermès boutique in Paris. Anyway, here is my shoes As you can see, it has the receipt at the behind it. Normally they put the receipt on the front, but I don't know why it is on the back. Anyway, it says as well Hermès there, and it has this beautiful package. And remember, this is not my way. This is from the boutique, because sometimes I unbox it and share the video on Instagram page. And if you're not following me, if you don't follow me on my Instagram page, please kindly do so. So without bothered you a lot, you know, this is how they pack it in the store. So this is my real unboxing with you guys. I'm going to pull it up like that. And the actual box, it says Hermès Paris with Hermès logo. And I've been seeing people having this band that says Hermès 2022. I don't know, in another country they have this, but here in Switzerland I've never seen, or I never get, or maybe I'm too late to purchase when they have new collection with the new band that says Hermès Paris 2022 or Hermès Paris 2021. You know, every year they have that band of the year that they put here, but me, I never get one. Anyway, I never mind about that. So, true unboxing, guys, with you. As usual, Hermès shoes comes with always 2 dust bag, as you can see in here. It has the logo H and the logo itself, the horses, one horse, and a little guy here. I never told you this, guys. This is the first time. So there's a man, this is a man here. Let me bring it closer. And the horse and this fancy seat on it, and then H. It has string, so you can cinch in like this or leave it the way it was. And the reason of them to give you 2 dust bag, I think it's because after you wear the shoes, you don't want to pack the shoes in your luggage with clean clothes, you know, after you wear it. You already seen it. Anyway, let me now jump into the sandals, because you have seen the sneak peek of it. So guys, are you ready? Let me take the other one to be ready. Yeah, so they give you 2 dust bag. That way it's good for your packing when you travel. Yeah, you don't just put dirty shoes into the clothes. I love the idea of having 2 dust bag. And nowadays I think also Gucci, they offer, Louis Vuitton also, they offer 2 dust bags, which is really good because it feels more luxury when you purchase a shoes with 2 dust bag. It feels like they care for the client as well. So are you guys ready? This is my sandal here. Amazing, right? Yeah, so this is the color that I wanted before, and I couldn't get this color because it was always sold out. Even the day I purchased this, the lady, she told me this is the last pair of 39 that we have. So going into Hermès boutique, I never think of getting this color, but the universe allow it. As I said, the universe allow it for me to get this color, my size. So you can see, let me remove the paper because they're keeping coming out. This is in size 39 and it says Hermès there. And this here, it's a fascetta leather. It's a fascetta leather because the entire shoes is leather. Up and inside and down, it's leather. Everything is leather. So it's like you're walking into, if you have Louis Vuitton bags, it's like you're walking into fascetta leather in underneath the Hermès shoes, you know. So it says it's made in Italy there, and it says simile cur. I don't know what does that mean. It's very French. I'm not French, I cannot pronounce it. My husband, yes. But he's not more into this, what I'm doing. So yeah, so it says here Hermès, size 39, made in Italy, and that word in French. Inside here it has also embossed leather brand. it says Hermès, and the logo, and just the same logo that it was on the shopping bag, on the dust bag. It's in here. And this one is they say it in German, gepresst, like it's pushed in, it's pressed in, so you can feel the texture of the brand. And sometimes when you wear it, gets a little bit of dirty, the dead skin of your feet goes in there and it looks so whitish something. Sometimes it's not good looking to look at it. So yeah, it's that. And this is my first ever Hermès sandals in Epsom leather. Epsom or Epsom, I don't know how to call it, but anyway, you know what I mean. So this is the Epsom leather. As you can see, it has a texture on it. Yeah, and I love the sandals. And it has the serial number inside. I don't think if it's good to share. The serial number is just up here, but I will not bring it too close to share. Maybe it's their serial number of the leather, I don't know, because now speaking of serial number, guys, now I'm on my waiting list to get a Birkin. Yes, to get a Birkin Hermès bag. I will wait for 2 years. Yes, and if you want to know the story about my waiting list and how it went down, follow me on my Instagram. I have the video there, because there I found a lot of support, and I had to ask the question there on my Instagram, and people were like curious, they wanted to know, and I got so much love. I got so much advice about Hermès bag, and those who have it already, I was like, oh my god. So now I'm in waiting list. I am on the waiting list. Oh yes. I am on the waiting list of Hermès Birkin bag. The size and everything and the color I shared into my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on my Instagram and watch those videos, please kindly do so. Just go there and watch all my videos, my pictures, because I'm more active there than here on YouTube, which is okay for me at the moment. And thank you so much for your support. Remember to subscribe, like, hit that notification button. That way you will not miss out any of my videos. For now, bye. Have a lovely weekend. Yes, because today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday, so it's almost weekend. So have a lovely time, and remember to ask me those questions if you want to know anything about Hermès shoes, how to purchase them, how to be in the boutique on the first time. I have those experiences as well, but mine are not bad, I can say so far so good. So if you want to know anything about Hermès, how did I start to purchase things on Hermès shop, please comment down below. And yeah, thank you, bye, have a good time.